Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and studying well. So, in the previous class, we had discussed about what is food, what is ingredients, what are the major sources of food, how we get food. That is basically we discussed about plants and animals. We discussed about the plants, but now today we will discuss about one more source of food, that is animals. When we talk about animals, what we will get from animals is that we get milk, we get egg, we get meat, etc. other products from animals. Now the thing is that milk we got from cow, goat, buffaloes, etc. And we get egg from hen and as well as meat from hen. But how do these organisms survive? These organisms also need food for their survival, and that food basically they get from plants. So the main major source of food is considered as plant. It is considered as major source of food. We say animals also provide us food, but how or where, from where the animals get food? So animals also get food from plants. So basically plants are considered as major source of food. That's why we will get some other milk products also, like curd, cheese and butter, etc. from the milk. And that milk is we got from cow, goat, buffaloes. And these animals are dependent on plants for their survival. So basically the major source of food is plants. So now we will discuss about which parts of plants are used as a source. Now you are very well aware of the parts of plant. Parts of plant तो आप सबको पता है कि क्या क्या होते हैं. Basically in parts of plant we are having roots, we are having leaf, we are having stem, we are having fruit, and we are having flower. But some other parts of plant are also used as food. So basically when parts of plants are used as food, they are considered as edible, edible, edible source. Edible source means the parts of plant which can be eaten. जो पार्ट ऑफ प्लांट को हम खा सकते हैं उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? एडिबल पार्ट्स बोलते हैं या एडिबल सोर्स भी बोल देते हैं. That are basically known as either edible parts or edible sources. So firstly we will take an example like for the growth of body, your parents and your teachers always say eat green leafy vegetables. When it comes to green leafy vegetables, it means हमें वो vegetables खाने हैं जिनकी leaves का कलर कैसा हो? ग्रीन हो. So in that case एक ही example हम सबके mind में आता है, that is spinach. So what spinach basically we are eating? The thing we are eating in spinach is leaf, and leaf is the part of plant. So basically leaf that we are eating is an edible source or edible part of plant. Now some other parts are also there. For example, we have discussed about roots. In which plant we are eating root? We are eating carrot, which is a root. We are eating turnip, that is also a root. We are eating radish, that is also a root. Leaf, already I gave you example of spinach, and the cabbage we eat is also your leaf as a edible source. And in case of stem, we eat potato and sugarcane. We eat fruits also like apple, mango, banana, etc. These are also the parts of plant. And in some cases we eat flower also. फ्लावर के केस में हम कौन सा खाते हैं? लाइक कॉलीफ्लावर, गोभी. So that is also a part of plant. We also have seeds, which is also a part of plant as a edible part. Like we are having mustard oil at home, sarson ka tel. So we eat mustard oil also, which we derive from seeds. Similarly, we are having groundnut, which is also a seed. So these are basically some parts of plant which can be eaten, and the parts of plant which can be eaten are known as edible parts of plant. आई थिंक इतना आपको क्लियर होगा और समझ भी आया होगा कि व्हाट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द एडिबल सोर्स ऑफ प्लांट और द एडिबल पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट. सो eat these things in your life because they provides a more nutrient content and helps in maintaining the balanced diet. Now we will discuss about the parts of plant which we eat. I had drawn a diagram for you in which various parts are there. So now we are discussing about all the parts. Like for example, the green colored part which we are eating is known as leaf. Similarly, this brown color, or it can be of green color also, that is basically known as stem, which provides support to the plant. This green colored area, this is known as your stem. I can mark it here. This is known as your stem. The pink color or the orange color flowers are appearing. So this is your flower. Orange color long part is appearing out. This is known as your fruit. When we talk about this, the point from where the leaf originates, जहाँ से leaf निकलना start होता है, उस point को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Node. And दो leaf के बीच के जो gap होता है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? Internode. So these are two new terms for you. One is node and one is internode. Node is the part from where leaf originates. Node वो part है जहाँ से leaf निकलती है, originate होती है. And internode is the part between two leaves. दो leaves के बीच के part को हम क्या बोलते हैं? आपका internode बोलते हैं. So these all parts are appearing above the soil. So this system is known as shoot system. Now we will discuss about the parts of the plant which is below the soil, and that parts are basically only one, that is roots, which appears or starts growing below the soil. So in roots are basically of two types. One is primary roots and one is your secondary roots. Primary roots basically are those roots from which the origination of roots are start. This जहाँ से origination start हुआ उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Primary roots बोलते हैं. और ये जो आगे जाके divisions हो रहे हैं, that are considered as secondary roots. So this is all about the parts of plant and considered as root system. So in a plant there are two systems, one is shoot system and one is root system, and they combine together to form a plant. Shoot system appears above the soil, root system appears below the soil. Now as we have discussed, the part of a plant we are eating is known as edible part. But in a plant, not only one part is edible, more than one part we can eat. So you will do an activity today that whatever you have ate, you will write the edible parts in it. For example, I ate brinjal curry. आज मैंने मान लो ब्रिंजल की सब्जी खाई है, बैंगन. तो ब्रिंजल करी खाई है, तो ब्रिंजल करी बनाने के लिए दिस इज माय food for today. In this food, what I ate are basically the ingredients. That is, one is brinjal, one is tomato. We are having spices like chili, and I also had used oil for the preparation of brinjal curry. So in this case, these all are the ingredients of my food. So these ingredients were like brinjal, tomato, spices and oil basically are the parts of plant. So brinjal that we ate is the part of plant which is fruit. Tomato is also fruit. Spices like chili, this is also fruit. And oil which is obtained from either be a mustard oil or will be a sunflower oil. So if it is a mustard oil, then it is obtained from seed. If I used sunflower oil, then it is also used from prepared from sunflower seeds. So इसके अंदर मेरे क्या क्या पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट यूज हुए हैं, सीड है और फ्रूट है. सो दीज आर दी एडिबल पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट. सो इट मीन्स कि जब हम एक खाना खा रहे हैं तो इट डजंट मीन कि उसके अंदर एक ही एडिबल पार्ट यूज हुआ है या फिर एक प्लांट के अंदर सिर्फ एक ही एडिबल पार्ट होता है. अ प्लांट कैन हैव मोर देन वन एडिबल पार्ट ऑल्सो, और द डिश वी आर हैविंग इज ऑल्सो हैविंग more than one or more than two parts, edible parts of a plant. So basically you have to write whatever you had ate today or yesterday, and you have to make you have to write the ingredients of it, and then you will write the edible part of the plant it was having. Like brinjal, it is having fruit. Tomato, it is also fruit. Spices like chili, it is also fruit. Oil, that is mustard oil obtained from seeds. Sunflower oil, that is also obtained from seeds. इतना आप इसको prepare करेंगे. This we discussed about the plant as a source of food. Now one more thing is there that we use in our home as a source which is obtained from animal, and that we used is your honey, that is शहद. हम इसको घर में यूज करते हैं. नाउ द क्वेश्चन कम्स अप, फ्रॉम वेयर डज द हनी कम और हाउ इट इज प्रोड्यूस्ड. इसको बनाया कैसे जाता है. हमारे पास तो बॉटल्स के अंदर पैक होकर के आता है, बट हाउ इट इज प्रिपेयर्ड और हाउ इट इज प्रोड्यूस्ड. सो यू ऑल नो दैट हनी इज प्रिपेयर्ड फ्रॉम बीज, हनी बीज जिन्हें हम बोलते हैं. दैट इज दे लिव बेसिकली इन बी हाइव्स. वो अपने बी हाइव्स के अंदर रहती हैं एंड दे कलेक्ट जूसेस. वो क्या करती हैं, जूस कलेक्ट करती हैं फ्रॉम फ्लावर्स, और उस जूस को हम क्या बोलते हैं, बेसिकली नेक्टर बोलते हैं. एंड दैट नेक्टर गेट कन्वर्ट्स इनटू हनी एंड इट इज स्टोर्ड इन beehives, and for the whole year then it is prepared as honey and we will use this. So basically this is all about the today class. So read this properly. Whatever you feel that you are not getting, you can ask me. Okay, fine.